ओम खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक नंबर 4 we saw सर्वोऽयं महिमा ज्ञेयो वाक्यस्यैव यथोदितः वाक्यार्थं न ह्यते वाक्यात् कश्चित् जानाति तत्त्वतः। It is Vakya Mahima. Anyone who has attained realization is through Mahavakya only. Mahavakya either through Shravana or Smarana or Smarana. It is the Mahima of Mahavakya only. Without which nobody will essentially know the nature of the Mahavakya. Means what is the meaning revealed by Mahavakya that people don't know. See Tika, page number 62, third line of the fourth shloka. Yat punaruktam कृत्स्न अनात्मनि वृत्ताविति. It should be Krishna Anatma Nivritta. It should be one word. Nivrittaviti. Krishna Anatma Nivrittau iti. Tatrapi prapancha abhava vyatirikt niratishayananda brahma avagatir na vakyam vina sambhavati. Krishna Anatma Nivrittau, where was this said?
Dvitiya shloka.
Dvitiya shloka. Krishna Anatma Nivrittau cha. Even when the entire Anatma Nivritti happens. Whose Drashtanta was this?
Brahmaji.
Virat. Nivrittau. Iti tatrapi prapancha abhava vyatirikta niratishaya ananda rupa brahma avagatihi vakyam vina na sambhavati. In case of Virat or Brahma, prapancha abhava is there. There is no creation yet. But tad vyatirikta niratishaya ananda rupa brahma. So there are two things. One is prapancha abhava. Prapancha abhava means there is no dvaitam. But dvaita abhava is one thing. Brahma is bhava rupa. So I samadhi attains prapancha abhava. To sambhuti asambhuti. So he can attain prapancha abhava. I am nirtishaya ananda rupa Mahavakya will not. न संभवति. तस् वेदांत अगोचर. So in Buddha darshan also you can apply the same thing, that it say is shunyam. You remove entire prapancha. Other than prapancha,
Swamiji, Hari Om Swamiji. Audio is poor, Swamiji.
you can hear me now.
Yes, Swamiji.
So even if somebody does samadhi abhyasa and removes prapancha, or if somebody does Buddha vichara, according to which prapancha is shunya, but tad vyatirikta niratishaya ananda rupa brahma I am, that jnanam this person doesn't have. Vakyam vina na sambhavati. So tasya vedanta vakya vyatirikta pramana gocharatvat. This is Vedanta Vakya Vyatirikta Pramana Agochara. What is Vedanta Vakya Vyatirikta Pramana Agochara?
निरतिशय
Niratiṣaya Ananda.
ब्रह्म अति अवगति
Brahma Bhavati Tasya Vedanta Vakya Atirikta Pramana Agocharatvat. So its Pramana is only Vedanta Vakya. Vedanta Vakya Atirikta Pramanasya Tad Avishaya. Brahma Jnanam will not be known through anything, any other Pramana other than Vedanta Vakya. Yaha Vakyartham iti. So Vakyartham, that is the second line of the fourth shloka. Tritiya pada of Chaturdash shloka, how many padas are there?
No, 4.
Anybody? Any other answer?
5
5.
5 is the correct answer. Vakyartham na hi rite vakyat. Na is separate pada, he is different. A separate pada, rite is separate pada. Okay, now a beautiful topic is taken up. Nanu. वाक्यम अपि प्रमाणांतर संवाद अभावात् स्वार्थम निश्चयितुम न शक्नोति. Purva Paksha says any vakya without pramanantar samvada. Pramanantar samvada means any other pramana being in accordance with this pramana, given pramana. That is called pramanantar samvada. And if other pramana is in virodha, then it will be called pramanantara visamvada. So one is pramanantara samvada, another is pramanantara visamvada. Here there is Purvapaksha says any Vakya, if it does not have Pramanantara Samvada, it cannot bring Nishchaya in its Artha. Vakyamapi Pramanantara Samvad Abhavat. Swartham means Swasya Artham, Vakyasya Artham. Nishchayayitum na shaknoti. Any pramana if you give for that Vakya, as long as there is no Pramanantara Samvada, I will not have a Nishchaya if this Vakya is absolutely correct or not. Like the classic Drishtanta they give, Nadyas Tire Pancha Phalani Santi. Because I am sitting here in ashram, Nadi Tira is there. Somebody there says there are fruits on the Tira, Ganga Tira. I have not seen, I have just heard the Vakya. Now, how will I know if this Vakya is Pramana Vakya or Apramana Vakya? So, somebody has to see it, then they have to tell. So, Pramanantara Samvada is there. First, Pratyaksha Pramana will work, or I will go and check if it is there or not. So, Pramanantara Samvada, if it is not available, then I cannot do Nishchaya whether this Vakya is true or not. Iti ata aha Vakyam cha. Vakyam cha Sindimulam Pratipadanaya Pravrittam Sat Pratipadayatyeva Sarva Pramananam Api Evam Vrittatvat. Vakyam cha and Vakya Pratipadanaya Pravrittam means Swartham Pratipadanaya Pravrittam. It has started. It is active to give its own meaning. Swasya Artham Pratipadanaya Pravrittam Vakyam Swa Sat Pratipadayatyeva. Pravrittam Sat, when once engaged, it will give you Prama. Sat Pratipadayati eva. Pravrittam Sat Pratipadayati eva. Artham Pratipadayati eva. It will give meaning. Any Vakya can do that, but Mahavakya for sure. Because in case of other Vakya, other Praman has excess. In Panchaphala, Ganga, Tira, ityadi. But in case of Atma, other Pramana do not have access. So, Mahavakya alone will give the Jnana. Sarva Pramananam api evam vrittatvat. Not only Vakya Pramana, other Pramana also they are like this. They don't expect Pramanantara Samvada. If the Chakshu Praman says, Ayam Pataha Pitaha, which Pramanantar you are going to use? There is no Pramanantara. And if I wait for some Pramanantara for this Pataha, Patasya Rupam, Pita, if I wait for this, I will wait eternally. So there is no other Pramana. Chakshu is the only Pramana for Rupa. So Pramanantara Samvada is Bhranti actually. You don't need it. And if you wait for it, there will be Anavastha. Let us say one Pramana says it is Pita. You say I am going to verify it through another Pramana. Now whether that Pramana is Pramana or not, to verify that you will need third one. If you say no, first one will be verified by second, second one will be verified by first, then what is the dosha?
Chakka.
Infinitely.
Mutual difference.
Anyonya.
Anyonya. If there are two, where is infinity? If there are two, it is Anyonya Ashraya. If one depends on second, which depends on third, which depends on fourth, like that, if you go on, it is Anavastha. Now, in general, what do people think? What is the Pramanantara when it comes to Aham Brahmasmi? What is people's idea? What is the Pramanantara they expect?
Pratyaksha.
Pratyaksha. What will be Pratyaksha of Aham Brahmasmi? How will they know?
There's no way to know from Dehoham, Manushyoham, that way. I mean, through Brahma.
They will try to do Nirvikalpa Samadhi. If in Samadhi I understand I am Brahma, then this Vedanta is true. This is the idea of most people. They think this Vedanta is theory and Yoga Darshan is practical. So you have to do some practice. What is the use of studying? You are not doing any practical. What is the practical? You have to do dhyana. Then in meditation, deep down in meditation, you will understand I am Brahma. Then you will Vedanta is true. The book is correct. It is not book, it is pramana. There is no pramanantara samvada. First, I should understand this clearly. If Vedanta says I am Brahma, no other pramana will tell anything about I am Brahma. Neither Pratyaksha nor Anumana nor anything. Forget about Samadhi, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, Samprajnata Samadhi, Asamprajnata Samadhi. They all are not for Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. They are for Pratibandha Nivritti. I have too much of Bahirmukhta. I am not becoming Avritta Chakshu. What should I do? You sit down and do your Samadhi Abhyasa. This point, is it clear to everybody or not?
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Because if this point is not clear, all the time your efforts will be in how to do now Aham Brahmasmi in meditation, in dhyana. So this is very clear. There is no Pramanantar Samvada required. Vakya engaged in revealing its meaning will reveal its meaning. And not only Vakya, any Pramana is like this. It does not need Pramanantar Samvada. Sarva Pramananam api evam vruttvatvat. Tika. Swa-vishaya avabodhanaya pravrittanam pramananam pramanantar samvad apekshaya kunthita bhavaha kvachidapi na drishyata ityarthaha. Swa-vishaya avabodhanaya, to reveal its own meaning, pravrittanam pramananam, any pramana which is pravritta, which has started its action, means it is engaged, pramana vyapara is happening. Pramanantara samvada apekshaya, because it is expecting pramanantara samvada and it is not available, means no other pramana has verified. So this pramana attaining kunthita bhava. Kunthita bhava means it is not able to do its work. It is obstructed Kvachidapi na drishyate. It is never seen. So never ever, like right now I am talking. When you hear, it is pratyaksha, shabda pramana is there, you are listening. Do you wait for any other thing to happen? Then you say, then only what I have heard, I will accept that, yes, I really heard this. Do you wait for anything?
No, Swamiji.
No.
As I say, Vakya Jnanam is taking place. I hope Vakya Jnanam is taking place unobstructed. There is no waiting. So same is for any other Vakya, any other Pramana. All Pramanas, they will produce knowledge unobstructed. Means they will produce knowledge not expecting any Pramanantara Samvada. Okay. So Kunthita Bhava Kvachidapi na drishyate. Now somebody says, wait. Pramanantara Samvad may not be there. But Pramanantara Samvada Abhava could be there. Means Pramanantar Visamvada could also be there, no? Other Pramanas are not approving it. But some Pramana is disapproving. Then also Jnanam will not take place. Like if Agni is hot, Ushnaha, and somebody says Agni Ranushnaha. So Pramanantara Samvada is not there, but Pramanantara Visamvada is there. Sparsha Pramana says it is Ushnaha, and Shabda Pramana says it is Anushnaha. So then I will not accept. Purvapaksha gives this argument now. Nanu na vayam pramanantara samvad abhavat apratipadakam brumaha. Kintu tad viruddharthatvat iti. You say, we are not saying that there is no pramanantara samvada. Therefore, jnanam is not taking place. We are saying pramanantara samvada abhavat apratipadakam na bruma. Kintu tad viruddha arthatvat. Means Pramanantar Visamvada is there. How? See the shloka. Nahangrahyena tadhine na pratyang napi dukkhini viroda sadasityasmat vakyabhijñasya jayate. Nahangrahyena tadhine na pratyang napi dukkhini viroda sadasityasmad vakyabhijñasya jayate. Purvapakshi says there is virodha. Siddhanti says there is no virodha for the person who has understood Vakya. Ahangrahye tadhine pratyang dukkhini api sad asi iti asmat Vakya abhijñasya virodha na jayate. Vakya abhijña means the knower of the Mahavakya. For that person, which Vakya? Sadasi. Sadasi means Sat Tvamasi. Tvam is given, Asi means Tvam. Sat means Tat, Tat Tvamasi. Person who knows that na ahangrahye virodha jayate, na tadhine virodha jayate, na pratyang virodha jayate, napi dukkhini virodha jayate. Jayate, what is the dhatu?
Jani Pradurbhave.
Jani Pradurbhave. Then, what is the sutra for Ja?
न्या जनोर्जा
न्या जनोर्जा, न्या धातु and jan dhatu will get ja adesha. Okay, see the shloka. Ahangrahya. Ahangrahya means sharira, sthula sharira. Tadhina, there where aham buddhi is not there, but mama buddhi is there. That is indriya. Pratyang. Pratyang is atma, pratyaga atma. Pratyang, how will the rupa go? Pratyang, then prathama dvivachan. Quick.
I think it should be avyaya.
It is avyaya, but pratyak shabda you can decline. Pratyang,
प्रत्यंचौ प्रत्यंचः
then
प्रत्यंचम
pratyanchau,
प्रत्यंचौ प्रतीचः
pratichaha. Then tritiya ekvachan, praticha
Pratichaha.
pratyabhyam, pratyabhihi, pratiche pratyabhyam, pratichaha, pratyabhyah, pratichaha pratyabhyam, pratyabhyah, pratichaha pratichoho, praticham. Then saptami ekvachan.
Pratichi.
So you see these, all the rupas are in saptami ekvachan. Ahangrahye is saptami ekvachan. Tadhine is saptami ekvachan. Pratyang is given in prathama ekvachan because they have made it avyaya. But you have to understand it in saptami. And dukkhini is also saptami. In that. So pratyang saptami means pratichi, you should understand. And napi dukkhini. Pratichi is means pratyagatmani. There is no virodha. The one who knows Mahavakya has no virodha with pratyagatma. And dukkhini means antakarana. Antakarana is generally dukhi. He could have said sukhini also, but dukhi is the lakshana mainly. So in sharira, there is no virodha. In indriya, tattvamasi Mahavakya has no virodha with sharira. No virodha with indriya, no virodha with atma, and no virodha with antakarana. That is the meaning of first line. See tika now. Why there is no virodha? Everything is explained. Ahangrahyam, aham manushya, iti aham pratyaya vedyam, yat shariram. Ahangrahyam, aham manushya. So ahangrahya is aham manushya, aham pratyaya vedya, yat shariram, tasmin, in that sharira, tattvamasi iti vakya shravanad virodha pratibhaso na bhavati. In sharira, tattvamasi vakya shravana virodha is not there. Means sharira is there, and if I hear tattvamasi, where is virodha? Why there is no virodha? Tasya tvam pada anabhideyataya. Sharira is not the meaning of the word tvam. So there is no virodha. When it said tattvamasi, in that tvam pada means Shuddha Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanya is Brahma. Means when you do Lakshyartha of Tvam Pada, you Shuddha Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanya is Brahma. It is Sat, because Sadasi it is given. So I am Sat. Nobody should understand Deha is Sat. So there is no Virodha with Deha. Tasya tvam pada anabhidheyataya tat padarthena samanadhikaranya anangikarat. Tat padarthena sthula sharirasya samanadhikaranya anangikarat. Nobody thinks tat padartha means that Sat and sthula sharira, they are same. Samanadhikaranya is not there. So that is ruled out. न तद्हीने इति चक्षुषा पश्यामि श्रोत्रेण शृणोमि इति एवं करणत्वेन अनुभवात्. Our अनुभव is चक्षुषा पश्यामि, through eyes I see, श्रोत्रेण शृणोमि, through ears I hear. So I use chakshu, shrotra, etc. as karana. Because they are karana, they are not ahangrahya. Deha is ahangrahya. Generally, it is understood as this is who I am. Deha dharma is mama dharma is easily misunderstood. Indriya is me is not understood easily. Means that misunderstanding is less. Therefore, karanatvena anubhavat aham chakshuhu pashyami iti ananubhavatcha. Nobody will think I am eyes which is seeing, I am ears which is hearing. So they don't have aham pratyaya. That's why tadhine, aham pratyaya hine, aham pratyaya rahite. Api na virodha pratibhasaha. There also there is no virodha. Tena api sadasi iti samanadhikaranya anangikarat. Nobody accepts samanadhikaranya with indriya when it comes to sat. Indriyas are not sat. Sat means ekameva dvitiyam. Indriyas are not there. Therefore, there is no samanadhikaranya anangikarat. Second is okay. Means Siddhanti say, what was the question or objection of Purvapakshi? What did Purvapakshi say? Pramanantara visamvada is there. Other pramana samvada is not required because this pramana is self-sufficient. But pramanantara visamvada is obstructing my tattvamasi jnanam. Like Deha, Siddhanti says, how will Deha obstruct? Because tattvamasi is not saying Deha is Brahma. So it is, there is no virodha. For the one who has understood Vakya, for that person, Deha will not create virodha. Then na tadhine virodha means in Indriya, we don't say Indriya is Brahma. So that is also not objection. Na pratyak. Pratyak means see in tika. Tatha pratyak. Pratichi. Pratyagatmani api na virodha. Saptami tikakar has given. Na virodha pratibhasa. There is no virodha pratibhasa. Tvam pada lakshyasya tasya tatpada lakshena ekatva avirodhat. Tatpada lakshyartha and tvam pada lakshyartha, between them there is no virodha. That aikya is there. Therefore, there is no virodha in this case also. In case of Pratyagatma, Tattvamasi has no virodha. In case of Deha Indriya or Antakarana, Tattvamasi has no virodha. Because Tattvamasi is not talking about them being Brahma. So where is virodha? One who has understood Vakya, he will say, we are not talking about Deha is Brahma or Indriya or even Antakarana. Antakarana is not Brahma. So Antakarana will be like this only. Tasya tatpada lakshena ekatva avirodhat. तस्य प्रत्यगात्मनः तत्पदलक्ष्येण एकत्व अविरोध, देयर इज नो विरोध विथ तत्पदलक्ष्यार्थ। अत्र प्रत्यक् शब्दो अव्ययत्वात् सप्तमी अर्थे वर्तते। प्रत्यक् शब्द इज अव्यय but it is to be understood in the meaning of saptami. Saptami arthe vartate. How it became avyaya? So some vyakarana is given now. What is it dhatu for pratyak?
Anchu.
Anchu gati pujanayoho. Anchu gati pujanayoho. Anchu dhatu is there. Then what pratyaya you have to put?
Behind.
No, before that, you need twin pratyaya. What is the sutra? Ritvik, Dadrik, Sragdik, Ushnik, Anchu, Yuji, Krancham. Sutra is there?
Yes, in the Tika, Swami.
No, but it is there in Panini Sutra list or not?
Is there Swamiji?
Yes, it's there.
Yes, Swami.
Because students have studied it. Ritvik, Dadrik, Sragdik, Ushnik, Anchu, Yuji, Krancham cha. So all of them will get twin pratyaya. Ritvik Shabda, Dadrik Shabda, Srak, Dik, Ushnik. Then Anchu Dhatu, Yuji Dhatu, and Krancha is also Dhatu, I think. So in these Dhatus and these Shabdas, twin pratyaya. What will twin pratyaya do?
Make it Pratipadik.
Uhu.
So now Anju Dhatu is available as Shabda. So queen pratyaya, sarva pahari lopa. So all the ka, va, I, na, everything will go. How will vakar go? Sutra?
Vera
Vera
Praktasya.
Prutta.
Vera praktasya. So queen pratyantat pratyak shabda. Then pratyak shabda is there. Now what should happen? Dik shabdebhyah saptami panchami prathamabhyo dik desha kaleshu astatihi iti astatau. So astat adesha will come. Like purastat, paschat, adhastat. Like how in Mundaka Upanishad all these shabdas are there, right? Or in Chandogya Saptamadhyaya. Brahmai Vedam, Amrutam Purastat, Paschat. So that, all of that is this Astat Adesha. It will make it Tadhita. This is the Sutra. Dik Desha. Any Dik Shabda. So Pratyak is also indicating Disha. Closer to us. So it is Dik Shabda. And in Saptami, this is Saptami Prayoga. In Saptami, Panchami, Prathama, Dik Desha Kaleshu, Astatihi iti. So Astatau, Tadhite Krite. They become Tadhita. Tadhite Krite, Tasya cha, Ancher Luk iti. Luki Krite. Now, Ancher Luk. So there, in Anchu Dhatu, if Anchu Dhatu is there, Astat is there, then Astat Lopa will happen. And then Tadhitascha Asarva Vibhaktihi iti Avyatva. It will get Avyatva. Tadhitascha Asarva Vibhakti. In this way it will become Avyaya. So those who know the sutras or those who want, they can just look at the sutras in Ashtadhyayi and they will understand. Others just understand this Pratyak Shabda is used as Avyaya but in Saptami Arthe. Okay. Tatha Dukkhini Sukha Dukkhadi Dharmavad Antakarana Vishishte api na Virodha Pratibhasas तस्यापि त्वं शब्दवाच्यस्य तत्पदलक्ष्येण एकत्व अनंगीकारात्. दुखिनी, दुखिनी means in antakarana. What is that? Sukha dukhadi dharmavat antakarana vishishte. In that also vishishte api na virodha pratibhasa. Siddhanti says, where is virodha? So person should understand, when they are dukhi and they think, therefore I cannot. Vedanta doesn't say your antakarana doshas will go when you hear Mahavakya. You will have to put separate effort to remove those doshas. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, all of them, they will not go if you go on hearing Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, etc. For that, you will have to work separately. Otherwise, they will give you dukkham. They will go on giving you dukkham. So, I will have to separately work on removing those problems. And if they are excessive, they will not allow knowledge to take place. Means, Punarjanma will be guaranteed. So, dukhini, sukha dukkhadi dharmavad antakarana vishishte api na virodha pratibhasas. Tasyapi tvam shabda vachyasya tatpada lakshyena ekatva anangikara. Because for that also, that antakarana and tatpada lakshya, Brahma, there is no ekatva. Ekatva anangikara. Therefore, there is no virodha. For person who has understood Mahavakya, there is no virodha with Deha, Indriya, Antakarana, because that is not the subject. And there is no virodha with Pratyagatma, because that is exactly what is said. Evam, Vakya Tatparya Abhignasya Chaturshu api Padartheshu na virodha buddhihi. Vakya Tatparya Abhignya, the one who knows the Tatparya of the Vakya, in all the four padarthas, Chaturshu api padartheshu na virodha buddhi. There is no virodha buddhi. Tena pramanantar virodha abhavad api apratipadakatvam vakyasya na syad ityartha. Therefore, pramanantar virodha abhavad, even if there is pramanantar virodha abhava, you say because of pramanantar virodha abhava, Vakya will not do pratipadanam. That is not the case here, because there is no pramanantar virodha. Pramanantar virodha abhavad api apratipadakatvam vakyasya na, means vakyasya pratipadakatvam bhavati eva. Because there is no pramanantar virodha. Pramanantar virodha abhava is there. No pramana is going to stop you from understanding Mahavakya, Aham Brahmasmi. No pramana, no other pramana is needed to support Mahavakya pramana. So now Mahavakya pramana is standalone, like a king. It does not need anybody's support. There is nobody to oppose it. Now Purva Pakshi got wonderful idea. He said, this is exactly what I am saying. See. तरहि वाक्यस्य प्रमाणांतर संवाद अपेक्षा अभावात् तद विरोध अभावाच्च वाक्य श्रवण मात्रेण वाक्यार्थम सर्व एव प्रतिपद्येरन्. वाक्य does not have pramanantar samvad apeksha. Like a king does not expect anybody else to support him. And tad virodha abhavacha, there is nobody to oppose him. So then Vakya Shravanam should give Jnanam. Vakya Shravana Matrena Sarva eva Vakyartham Pratipadyaran. Everybody should gain knowledge just by hearing the Mahavakya. That is not the case. Nacha tatha pratipadyante. We don't see people hearing Mahavakya and getting realization right away. It is so rare. Nacha tatha pratipadyante iti ashankya. This is Purva Paksha. What is Siddhanti's answer? Tesham vairagya mumukshutwadi adhikari visheshana abhavat. because they don't have these things. What is the first word?
Vairag.
What is lacking? Vairagya. Only one main answer is this. Vakya has no problem. Mahavakya Praman is the easiest thing to understand if someone has Vairagya. Vairagya mumukshutwadi adhikari visheshana abhavat. Now, this Vairagya Shabda is, we'll have to discuss in the next session. You also think, what is Vairagya? What they are expecting here? Adhikarinah pramiti janako vedaha iti nyayacha. And this is nyaya. If somebody is adhikari, prama will take place. Veda jnanam, Upanishad jnanam will take place for adhikari. Adhikarinah pramiti janako vedaha. So if prama has not come, it is not the dosha of Veda. It is the dosha in adhikari. Means adhikara is not there. Nayam dosha. There is no defect with our understanding that if pramanantar samvada is not there, not needed, pramanantar visamvada is not there, then why Vakya Shravanam has not given knowledge? Vakya will give knowledge. If it is not given, somebody is not adhikari. That's why. This analysis now he is going to do in next 5 shlokas. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Up to this is going to be the discussion. Iti uttar shloka panchakena pratipadayati. Shloka panchaka, these 5 shlokas. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.